Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Vauxhall Mokka SE. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 13 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 19,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour, which I really like, is the metallic quantum grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have a nice clean interior, and being the SE, you get a high level of features on this car. So first of all, you've got the leather seats, the front seats being heated, and there's a armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone up on the centre display just up there. And then below that, you've then got your radio controls and then your climate controls. This car also has the heated steering wheel for the winter months, so that'd be nice with the heated front seats. And then you've got the cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Mokka's a great car for the family, being a small SUV, so nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And it's good to see the car's got some carpet floor mats there as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, which is nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.